Hi guys, I'm going to show you all how to improve audio recording quality on OnePlus 12R using Dolby On application. Firstly, go to Play Store and download the app. It's named Dolby On. Once you have installed it successfully, just click Open. There are going to be some pop-ups, you can just skip them or log in into the account. And now if you want to record it, just click Record. It's going to be recorded. You can just stop it if you want to. And your records will be saved here. As you can see, there is this video, and you can turn it on. You can, with this button, this is the how the raw video was, and this is how it is after the Dolby On improvements. And that's all. If you have any more questions, leave them in the comments, and if I helped you, please consider leaving a like and a subscribe.